Component 1, Active Analysis.
It's a custom control that is a totally self-contained business intelligence application. A developer can just go in the application, connect it to our data, give it to a business guy, and they can slice and dice and look and graph and OLAP their way to happiness.
The active analysis component represents a level of advancement that I had not seen before in what we could call it still a component.
Yeah.
Deploying that kind of full-fledged user interface for a web application or otherwise.
A business analyst can sit down with an application that you as a developer literally drag and drop with a couple lines of code, connect it all to their data sources, and go to town. And it's some beautiful stuff.
And then as you get more and more sophisticated with it, you can slide in those cubes after the fact to improve performance if the sets get too big.
Yeah.
It's pretty powerful stuff.
It is powerful stuff.
Active analysis is fantastic. I actually think it's a great tool for developers to be able to show their companies on how to do BI.
Yeah, you're right.
There's a lot of companies that want to do BI, and there's a lot of tools out there that are expensive. This is what I felt was an affordable tool for smaller companies.
That's right.
So it's a great tool to show to a corporation and say, here, this is what we can do for you. Now you guys can do it on your own. The whole idea is creating the cubes and then letting the user go on and manipulate his own data, which is what they love to do. With the charting and with the graphs, you can see and compare how businesses are doing. For instance, in the business I'm working in, you have multiple properties. As a property management company, you can take multiple properties and see who's spending the most money on a certain item, and how are they saving money. It's a great cost saving.
Well, you go all the way to the beginning. What really happens? You make a report for your boss, and he says, that's great, now can you change it? And you become the OLAP cube.
That's right.
You keep building next version, next version, next version.
Yeah.
If you go all the OLAP way, well, now you're installing analysis services and building cubes, and you need consultants, and it's just too big and too much and too expensive.
Right. Basically, if you want to make the boss happy, just get active analysis, put it in a wrapper, and give it to him.
Component 1, Active Analysis.